Here's another way of doing it. You click the A button, let go at 7 p.m. on business travel, and choose one of those. Hello. How's it going? The seat? And push your thumbstick at the same time, away from you. Push it north until you see a blue arc.
Yep.
There you go. All right, now...
I'm also a woman.
Oh, yeah, it ran until you create your account. You're randomly getting picked. 6 fingers. While you're there,
Okay.
yeah, pull both index fingers. You basically employ your flight mechanism.
Yep.
There. Now see how you're moving us?
Yep. Oh, yeah.
Now, as you do this, if you want to tap right or left, you'll be able to... Yeah. Uh-oh. You flew out. Okay. Okay. Let me show you something. When you create an account, you can also choose which avatar you have. Like, for example, that should give me a full body avatar in a second. You see? All right.
Oh.